Paramount Ranch, Hollywood's Western film set and national park site. Overview of Paramount Ranch. Paramount Ranch is a historic movie ranch located in Agoura Hills, California. Originally owned by Paramount Pictures, it was used as a filming location for Western movies and TV shows. Now, part of the Santa Monica Mountains National Recreation Area, open to the public for hiking, photography, and exploring film history, and Hollywood connection. Established in 1927 by Paramount Pictures as a Western film set. Hosted productions like Gunsmoke, The Cisco Kid, Dr. Quinn, Medicine Woman, and many classic westerns. Featured in modern TV series and films, including Westworld, HBO. In 2018, much of the western town set was destroyed by the Woolsey Fire, but restoration efforts are underway. Things to do at Paramount Ranch. Explore the historic film set. Some structures have been rebuilt. Hiking and walking trails through scenic landscapes. Wildlife spotting in the surrounding natural park. Photography and sightseeing, especially for movie history fans. Location and accessibility. Address: 2903 Cornell Road, Agoura Hills, California, 91301. Free entrance as part of the National Park Service. Open daily from sunrise to sunset. Future restoration plans. The National Park Service is working on rebuilding the western town to preserve its cinematic legacy. Fundraising and restoration projects are ongoing to bring back historical structures. Why visit Paramount Ranch? A legendary film location that shaped Hollywood's Western genre, offers outdoor recreation, hiking, and film history in one place. A unique chance to walk through iconic movie sets in a natural setting. Paramount Ranch remains a historic landmark for movie lovers and outdoor enthusiasts, blending Hollywood heritage with the beauty of the Santa Monica Mountains.